Hey guys, so we are back with another Crocs video. These are the ones that we worked on so far. I will link up the videos of both of these so you can see them if you haven't already. The only thing I did change on this one was I added this little gem here. I felt like it went with this little heart, you guys can see, because I felt it was a little empty. This pink gem was actually here and there was a big empty spot here, so I just put this gem here and moved the pink one, but that was the only thing I did differently. So yeah, that's what the first one looks like that we worked on. That was the second one that we worked on a few days ago, or the day before yesterday. And yeah, so now I have these that I cleaned, and those are all the gibbets. Oh my god. So these are still wet because I just cleaned these now. I'm thinking I got a little recommendation to work on the tie-dye ones next. Shout out to one of my subscribers that told me. So yeah, we're gonna work on these next. So let's get started. All right, so per usual, I separated the ones that I felt kind of would go with these, just so I'm not overwhelmed with all of this. So yeah, this is what I have to work with. And obviously I'm not going to use all of these, but it's just to, maybe it'll spark an idea. But yeah. Okay, let's see. To start, I think I want to do this unicorn. So maybe having the unicorn there. And then, let's see, maybe a gem. And then maybe a gem on this side. And I always like mixing, so you'll see me mix golds with silvers. So I might find some silver gems, but we'll see. Let's see. Okay, ice cream. That's cute, right? Let's do ice cream on this side too, for balance. I like that. And maybe let's try the bow. What if I switch this? I like that more. Let's see. That's cute, right? Let's try this side. That's pretty. Kind of want to have this on here. Don't know if I want to do it this way. This way. Let's try this way. That's pretty. I feel like this would look cute somewhere here. Let's try here. It's different. I'll leave that there for now. Yeah, I think there looks good. And let me see. It's kind of cute right there, right? Maybe here. It's pretty. I like that, but now this seems off. It kind of looks better, right? What if... That's pretty. I don't know how I feel about this here though. Now I'm like questioning it. So maybe I'm gonna take this off. And what if I put that there? And then that looks better, I think. Right? Or here. I think that looks better. That's pretty, right? Yeah, I like that. Maybe putting this here. Yeah, I feel like that's pretty. Maybe moving this, possibly. And then having this here. No, I don't like that. Maybe that there and this here. That looks better. Okay. And I kind of like the way it is now. Like, I don't want to overwhelm it. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it like this. I kind of really love the way it looks right now without it like being super overwhelming. So I think this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think. This is what it looks like. I think I really like it now. Yeah, I love it. Yep, so this is it, guys. This is the final look, and I hope you like it. And I will see you guys on the next video when we figure out what other Crocs we're going to redecorate. See you in the next one, guys.